Hello everyone, welcome back to DIY Geek YouTube channel. In this video I am going to do a review on this really necessary light that I've been waiting for. This is going to be really helpful for me to do a on the desktop review, unboxing and things like that, which right now I'm using this light, and I usually have my GoPro mounted in on this thing right here, facing downward, and then I'm doing all these review on whatever item that I have on my hand or on the desk. And I noticed that the GoPro is not actually the best, and I'm gonna make a video showing why a cheaper solution than a GoPro, like an Android phone like this, is actually going to be a better solution. Now, as I'm working towards there, I decided to buy a light and a stand for a phone like this, so that we have a light that is cool white, and also we have a phone holder in the middle of it, all built in together, that is on a boom like this, that can be installed on my desk, kind of like that, and I can still do my review in the middle. All right, so this is an unboxing for this, and also installation, and also a little bit about how to use it. All right, so let's get started. I purchased this product from Amazon. This is one of the best reviewed one. I believe this is, I think it was $24. So it's pretty cheap, and it comes with, what the heck is this guy doing in the middle here? Okay, all right, so it comes with basically the light, some kind of boom here. I mean adjustable head, not boom. This must be some kind of head. This is the cell phone holder with a flexible arm or adjustable arm. There is a control here for the cable. This is the arm itself, obviously. And then this is the table clamp. Okay, and this part must have fallen off or got shaken off somewhere. And the power source comes from a USB. So this is worth noting. It doesn't come with any adapter though, so you have to have your own USB adapter, which is easy to find. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and assemble it, and so that I can give you a review what it looks like installed. I got the light stand set up already, and so let me explain the setup from the base. That's how I mounted it to the table, and basically we have a quick single pole just like that kind of go into a hole. Simple. And the boom is quite nice. It's pretty manageable. It's the same as my three other booms here. They're all pretty sturdy. I'm having a little bit of problem with the light. Actually, over time, it's this bearing here just kind of keep going downwards. So it just keeps losing traction. And right now, if you can look at it from the side, this is kind of like already tilted down. And if I wait another 15 minutes or so, it will tilt down even more and more. I think I'm going to probably have to tighten the Allen wrench. So it did not come with an Allen wrench, so I had to get one for my set, and to tighten the Allen wrench that is here. See if I can show it to you. There's an Allen wrench right here. So the way that I'm going to be using my light is that I'm always going to be using it with a cell phone, and this is an Android Google Pixel 3 XL, and they also come with This is not part of it actually. This is for this guy right here. But this particular light came with this attachment also that can replace that ball head right there, so that if you're not using it with a cell phone, you can use it with a tripod adapter. Or if you remove the tripod adapter, as you can see there, that is the standard GoPro mount. So you can do tripod, and you can mount other things on the tripod, standard 1/4 inch screw, or you can mount obviously GoPro. I'm not sure what this is for. It's kind of like an extra part that I really don't know exactly what it's for. Other than that, I think the product works as advertised. I only have one complaint, which is this ball joint here, which is controlling the movement, or I guess the positioning of this light. It just keeps, see, I raise it up and it just keeps going down. I raise it up, and if you know, I don't know if you can notice from the video, it's sliding down ever so slightly. Yeah, it's so annoying. Eventually it will stop, but it's actually not 100% stop. It keeps going down. So I'm gonna try to tighten it using the Allen wrench. Hopefully that problem goes away. Anyways, this is the what's the brand again? Some weird brand. Sixit ring fill light. Webcam suspension, scissor stand, ring light, phone clip for live stream makeup. Yeah, I guess maybe that's why a lot of people are not using it upside down like I am using it. So maybe that's why it's actually not working really well. But I think it will still work. I'll just need to tighten all these things so that it can hold it up horizontally like that. Yeah. All right, well, if you like this video or like this product, I have a link in the description. If you would like to purchase this, I appreciate if you use my link. That will help my channel a lot, giving us an extra income so that we can do more product review. If you like this content and find it useful, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.